Hello, everyone. Most people lose their paycheck before they even spend it. Rent, debt, and subscriptions tear it apart until there's nothing left. But what if your salary worked for you instead of everyone else? Here are the first 5 moves you must make the moment you get paid. Move 1. The Freedom Fund. Before you pay a single bill, pay yourself. Set an automatic transfer for 10% into a high-yield savings account. This isn't just savings, it's your freedom fund for when life gets messy. Move 2. Kill the high-interest dragons. Next, target anything with an interest rate above 7%. Credit cards are wealth killers. Use a debt snowball system to pay off the smallest balance first and gain momentum. Move 3. Activate the machine. Move 15% into a diversified index fund. In 2026, you don't need to pick stocks. You need to own the market. Automating this ensures you buy when the market is up and when it's on sale. Move 4. The Silent Leak Audit. Spend 5 minutes checking your ghost subscriptions. That $15 app you don't use is costing you $1,800 over 10 years in lost investment gains. If you don't love it, kill it. Move 5. The Reward. The money that's left, that's yours. Spend it guilt-free, because your future is already paid for. You can enjoy today without the stress of tomorrow. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about the moves you make. Subscribe for the next blueprint in our wealth series.